Good afternoon, class 12th. Subject Biology, Chapter 1 Reproduction in Organism. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction that involves a complex life cycle in which a gamete such as sperm or egg cell यानी प्रजनन की वह क्रिया जिसमें दो युग्मों के मिलने से बनी रचना युग्मनज द्वारा नए जीव की उत्पत्ति होती है लैंगिक जनन कहलाती है सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन कहलाती है सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन प्री फर्टिलाइजेशंस इवेंट सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन्वॉल्व द फॉर्मेशंस ऑफ द मेल एंड फीमेल गेमेट्स इन आइदर द same individual or two individuals. These gametes fuse to form a zygote, which develops into a new individual. Offspring, yani breeding, are not identical to each other or to the parents, so sexual reproduction give rise to diversity among living organisms. All organisms pass through two stages, juvenile and vegetative phase. Juvenile phase periods of growth, non-reproductive. Vegetative phase or reproductive phase. In non-primate mammals like rats, sheep, dogs, cow, and tigers, the cyclic change in the activities of the ovaries and the oviduct is called the estrus cycle, यानी मध्य चक्र. In primates like monkeys, apes, and humans, it is called menstrual cycle. Certain mammals are called continuous breeders since they can reproduce throughout their reproductive phase, while some are called seasonal breeders since they can reproduce only in the favorable seasons. Event in sexual reproduction. Organisms reproducing sexually exhibit certain events. These are pre-fertilizations events, fertilizations event, post-fertilizations events. Pre-fertilizations event. Pre-fertilizations events taking place before the fusion of the gametes consist of gametogenesis, gamete transfer. Gametogenesis, process of formation of gametes, male and female. Gametes are haploid. In some organisms like algae, they are almost similar homo-isogametes and cannot be categorized as male and female gametes. In others, the two gametes are morphologically and physiologically different heterogametes and are of two types, anthrozoids or sperm male gametes and egg or ovum female gametes. GAMETE gamete. In same organism, both the sexes are parents. The same individual monoecious or homothallic, and in other they are present in two individual dioecious or heterothallic. In unisexual flowers, the male flowers are called staminate and the female flower is called pistillate. Gamete formation take place by cell division in haploid parents. It is by mitosis. In diploid parents, it is by meiosis with specialized cells called meiocytes undergoing meiosis. Gamete transfer. Gamete transfer. For their fusion to take place, the gametes need to be transferred. In most organisms, the male gametes are motile while the female gametes are non-motile, and the male gametes need a medium for their movement. A large number of male gametes do not make it to the female gametes, and hence several thousands of male gametes gametes are produced to overcome this loss. In angiosperm, the pollen grain carries the male gametes and the ovule carries the female gametes. Pollen grains are produced in the anther and need to be transferred to the stigma for fertilization to occur. This is easy in monoecious plant as both the anther and stigma are present close by. In dioecious plant, it takes place by pollination. Tomorrow we have start fertilizations event. So bye.